The lid latches are better quality than the Yeti ones that came with the ice chest. I am currently on a list for Yeti to contact me once theirs was available. This has been 2 months. Sad. Want buy another Yeti. Poor customer service and poor warranty on product. Pros: quick and easy to install. Tabs are larger than Yeti, making them easier to grab. You can spin them around so they don't stick out and snag on anything. Cons: wish they were just a tad shorter to have a little more hold down pressure, but don't let that keep you from buying these. They work good enough. I have a look-alike Yeti brand called Treeline that was purchased from TSC. These latches fit great with no issues so far. Relatively easy to install, comes with instructions, plus there are YouTube videos that show you how to replace them. Took less than 5 minutes to replace both. And I did replace both even though only one broke. When I got the second T-latch off, the backside was cracking and was probably going to break in relatively short order. So I am glad the package came with 2 latches. Arrived so quickly I didn't know they were here until I went to open the cooler. My husband is now happy that the cooler lid gets shut with each use. I am assuming they were easy to install, as all I got was a kiss and a thank you for thinking about ordering. When my sister's dogs chewed through our cooler straps, I was super bummed, but a quick search on Amazon landed me on these. They came with easy-to-follow instructions and they were installed in less than 5 minutes. These latches seem to be of excellent quality. They are longer and have a good angle that makes open and closing easier. Just replaced my Yeti Roadie and Yeti 65 Tundra. Took about 10 minutes for both. Pins on the smaller Yeti are easy to get out with flathead screwdriver. Pins on the Tundra are a little more difficult due to increased length. Started them with a screwdriver, then slowly worked them out with a pair of pliers. Highly recommend. Great latches. Slightly longer and wider than stock latches and feel much more sturdy as well. Had no problem fitting these on my RTIC 45 cooler. I used this on a legit Yeti RTIC 20 quarts rotomolded knockoff I found on the clearance rack at a TSC near me. I didn't even own the thing 1 year before the rubber latches dry rotted and broke in half. These look to be pretty good quality and installed easily. They are functionally the same as the previous latches. Time will tell if they hold up. I tried to find actual Yeti brand latches at a few places where they sell Yeti coolers, Dick's, Ace Hardware, Lumberjack, but had no luck and found these on Amazon. Ironic though how they don't actually sell replacement latches for Yeti at the places you can buy a Yeti. I guess that might look bad to sell replacement parts next to the $300 cooler you just overpaid for. My husband replaced these. One of the original handles on his Yeti broke. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.